In this video, you will learn if Paypenny is working today in Germany. Paypenny services are fully operational and there are no reported issues or outages affecting the platform. Paypenny continues to offer its international money transfer, enabling users to send and receive funds quickly and securely. The company is dedicated to maintaining a reliable service for any potential disruptions and all types of communication to the customer through its official channels. If you're experiencing any issues with your transaction, it could be due to temporary technical difficulties, but these are usually resolved quickly. For real-time updates, Paypenny recommends checking their official website where they provide system status updates and relevant service information. Additionally, Paypenny offers 24/7 customer support through various channels, including email, WhatsApp, ensuring that all customers and users can resolve any issues or get assistance with their transaction. If you're unsure about the current system status or have concerns about the specific transaction, try reaching out for Paypenny's support team. This is the best course of action for a timely and accurate information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.